Creator, coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got the third and final one from this special 50th anniversary Mama Noodles celebratory collection. And there's a chicken, a pork, and a duck. And I've done the pork and duck, and now it's time for the chicken. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but this is Mama Instant Noodles Chicken Khao Soy flavor. I'm going that the SOI is not pronounced soy or anything like that, because there is a lot of French influence in that region. It said it's northern Thai. It makes me think it's got to be a chicken coconut curry kind of thing going on. So I'm enthused. Enthusiasm from the Ramen Raiders. So let's put our noodle in, 300 mils of water, and then we add in this big sachet of powder. I'm gonna bet it's coconutty. I hope. I have no idea. I can't wait to try it. Oh, it smells peanutty. That's not what I expected. Then we've got this paste sachet. What's in here? That smells more curry-like. I am really, really curious. Whatever it is, it does smell quite nice. I did a little lookup on Wikipedia, and it did mention coconut curry sounded pretty much like what we were going to be looking at, but I do smell a peanut influence as well. Oh, this has got to be a coconut curry. Whoa there, whoa. Getting a little too crazy with the pre-stir. Okay. And then we've got 3 minutes. What do we talk about today? So, hi. I don't know. What do I talk about today? Hey, Mimi, you want to be on the show real quick? Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, my daughter Mimi coming up to the magical podium. Come here. Put your tongue away. Don't stick your tongue out. So, how you doing?
Good.
Yeah? What are you doing?
Watching some YouTube.
Oh, watching the YouTube. You. So how's your eye feeling? Is it better? You have to get eye drops, huh? You can talk about it. All the nice people want to hear about Mimi. They don't want to hear about me. They want to hear about you. You don't think so? Oh, now you're pushing buttons on the TV. That's what you're doing. Okay. Well, go have fun. Say goodbye to the nice people. You can say bye-bye to the nice people. No? Okay, run on. Love you. Oh, you want to say? They're watching you. You better run away and play with your TV. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was my daughter, Mimi. She's hiding behind me now. But there she is. Oh, there she is. Oh, careful. I'm going to run over your toes. Go, go, go. There's hot stuff out here. Go on. I'll be out there in a few minutes. I'm almost all done, okay? Love you. The inimitable Mimi, ladies and gentlemen. And we now have 52 seconds. Wow, that was a short Mimi visit. Usually she's into talking on the thing, but yeah, she's not into talking right now. It's like I brought up the eye. Yeah. It's doing better. If you haven't been following the saga of Mimi and her eye, she was playing with a washing machine pod. They're kind of like these goopy things full of concentrated soap. And she was messing around, got one out of the under the sink in the bathroom, pulled it out, squeezed it, it popped, and a bunch went in her eye, which sounds like one of the most painful things. I'm sure she won't ever do that again. But now we have these fancy things that we put on all the doors and sinks and things like that. So that definitely won't be happening again. So until they figure out how to, yeah. All right. Ooh, I can already tell I'm gonna like this. How can I tell? When I see broth that looks like that, it's got that multi-tonal. Ooh, buddy. The noodles look good. The broth, watch. The broth is gonna like, the oil will separate. And look at that beautiful tone. Yeah. Let's give this stuff a try, shall we? Oh yeah, I gotta remember, I gotta put egg in this too. Cheers. That looks lovely. Mmm. I like that. It's got a nice heat level. It's nice to look at. And it's tasty. Yeah. Yes. The answer to this one is yes. Indeed. All right. Okay, Khao. That way. I'm getting it down. It's so weird. It's like, is the camera right there? It must be. So it's one of these phones that's got all the bazillion cameras on the back, so I don't know, looking at it, what camera is it using? It's using one of them. Okay, so I baked some chicken. Man, that's good. I do enjoy the, yeah, I'm not even gonna try. I tried for a second, now I realize that was kind of a bad idea. Trying to make a funny. Oh, that wasn't what I was looking for. Just the broth, please. A little bit of color. Wow, look at that. That's pretty. I think I am going to use some mung bean sprout on this one. Wasn't yesterday, but the day before, I got to go to the real grocery store, which I like to call, well, which is called 99 Rands Market, which I like to call the real grocery store, simply because they've got all the stuff that the domestic store around here doesn't have, which I like. We're going to use a little bit of basil. The basil. I almost feel like I should use mint instead, though. It is curry. But I do have all this basil, unless I use it. It's not going to be good, so I gotta use the basil. Don't I? I think I do. Yeah. You guys like to lay flat when you get all hot, don't you? Kind of flat. But I don't want to obscure that broth so much. But that's pretty good, I think. And then we got some spring onion we can throw on the side here. A little bit there. Yeah, a little bit there. A little wee bit like that. Oh, and I want to use these little Spicy peppers. Hot, hot, hot. Wowie zowie. This is coming together pretty nice. Of course, some pepper flake. No, that's not pepper flake, that's sesame seed. What? I feel like I just woke up. It's already 10 o'clock. But that was my next thought process, was going with some pepper flake. So here we are, here we go. Boy howdy, ooby dooby. Whoa. All right, here we go. All right, thank you very much for watching the show, and thank you to Thai President Foods over in beautiful Thailand for sending this trio of fascinating varieties over that are celebrating their 50th anniversary. So cool. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.